Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off live notifications from account you follow. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now you have to click on notifications here. Now scroll this bar and different options will be displayed in front of you. Now you have to click on live notification settings here. In this way you can see all the followers here. If you want that none of your followers will show to you that he is or she is online on TikTok or not, then turn it off. In this way you will not get notification and they will also not get notification that you are online or live on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.